How to arm ProSeries when you are leaving home. In this video, you'll learn how to turn on or arm your ProSeries control panel when leaving your house. From the home screen, check and make sure you don't have any windows or doors open, or anything preventing the system from arming. In this case, the basement door is open. Once the door is closed, you'll get a solid green LED on the right side, letting you know your system is ready to arm. The LED on the left side indicates that you have power to the control panel. From the home screen, select Arm. Select Arm Away, which means you're leaving. Enter your user code. At this point, you can leave the house. The panel will continue to beep. Once the countdown is complete, your system is armed. That's all there is to it.